Dear students, we are in the topic of trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 6 you have completed. Before going to the topic exercise 6D, yesterday I said the proof of sin 80 degrees and cos 80 degrees, sin 72, cos 72, sin 36, cos 54, sin 54, cos 36, like that. 4 sums we have discussed along with proofs. Now let us going to discuss about the solved problems. Solved problems, page number 265. Solved problems, page number 265. Solved problems 6.3.12. Find the values of. First one, find the values of sin 22.5 degrees, cos 22.5 degrees, tan 22.5 degrees, and cot 22.5 degrees. These all formulae depends upon the cos 2a formula. Cos 2a formula in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. That implies sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a whole by 2. Sin a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a whole by 2. I said all formulae in the concept of multiples and submultiple angles. Next, also the formula of cos 2a in terms of cos. 2 cos square a minus 1. This minus 1 taken this side, it becomes 1 plus cos 2a. So 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a whole by 2. 1 plus cos 2a whole by 2. In the similar way, we can say that cos 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a whole by 2. Now, let us calculate sin 22.5. Sin 22.5. Let here a is equal to 22.5 degrees. A is equal to 22.5 degrees. That implies 2a becomes 22.5 into 2, that is 45 degrees. That implies sin a is equal to plus or minus. Of course, there is no question of minus because 22.5 meaning first quadrant, 0 less than a less than 90. It is in first quadrant. So directly plus you can write 1 minus using this one 1 minus cos 2a. So it is 1 minus cos 2 into a becomes 45 by 2. So 1 by 2 taken common into 1 minus the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. That is equal to here taken LCM root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, sin 22.5. Sin 22.5 value you should remember hereafter. This like a formula you should remember the value. Sin 22.5 is equal to root of root 2 minus 1 by 2. Now, cos 22.5. cos 22 and of formula root of, using this formula, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So 1 plus cos 45 by 2. In the similar way, cancel 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by root 2. So directly you can write this one as root 2 plus 1 by 2. Root of, that implies, remember, this is also as a formula cos 22 and of. Cos 22 and of degrees as a formula you should remember root 2 plus 1, root of root 2 plus 1 by 2. Root of root 2 plus 1 by 2. Keep aside. Next one. Now tan 22 and of. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So this is sin 22 and half by cos 22 and half. Sin 22 and half value we have written here as root of root 2 plus 1 by 2, root 2 minus 1. Root of root 2 minus 1 by 2, root 2 whole by full lengthy root we put here, right, as this is root 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 root 2 get cancelled. So it is the square root of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Square root of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Rationalize here, root 2 plus 1 opposite symbol is root 2 minus 1. By here also it is root 2 minus 1. So root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. Root 2 minus 1 whole square by this is a plus b into a minus b becomes a square minus b square, so it becomes 2 minus 1. Of course, this is root of 2 minus 1 whole square by 1. This square and this root will be getting cancelled. So tan 22 and half value, therefore tan 22 and half value is equal to root 2 minus 1. This is also most IMP bit. It is an objective bit and which is most IMP sum also tan 22 and half. Like formula you should remember. The value of tan 22 and half is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now fourth one. Cot 22 and half. Cot theta is equal to, we know that 1 by tan theta. So cot 22 and half you can write as 1 by tan 22 and half. So this is 1 by root 2 minus 1. So multiply and divide with root 2 plus 1. So here root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. That is equal to, this is root 2 plus 1 by, this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So 2 minus 1 it is 1. It is root 2 plus 1. Put a box here and you should remember this one also as a formula. Each and every value of 22 and half degrees you should remember as formula. Cot 22 and half equal to root 2 plus 1. So sin 22 and half we have learned today. Root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And cos 22 and half we have learned today. Root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And tan 22 and half is root 2 minus 1. And cot 22 and half is root 2 plus 1. These four values you should remember as a formula. Next one, 67 and half. In the similar way, second question is there, 67 and half concept. Of course, by using sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, like that we can calculate. Example 2, find 67 and half degree. Sin 67 and half degree, comma cos 67 and half degree, comma tan 67 and half degree, and cot 67 and half degree. Now use the formula sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and in the same concept cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. In the similar way, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So each and every value I am writing as a formula. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Therefore, now here I am writing sin 22 and half. Sin 22 and half degree is equal to, you can understand, sin of 90 minus 67 and half, sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin 22 and half degree is equal to cos 67 and half. That is root of root 2 minus 1 by 2. Next one, cos 22 and half degrees is equal to sin 67 and half, that is equal to root of root 2 plus 1 by 2. Next one, tan 22 and half. Tan 22 and half is equal to cot 67 and half. That is equal to, simply it is root 2 minus 1, and tan, of course this is cot 22 and half. Cot 22 and half degrees is equal to tan 67 and half is equal to root 2 plus 1. Now, example 3, page number 266. Example 3, page 266. Simplify 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Simplify 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula 2 sin square theta. The formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta in terms of sin 2 sin square theta and sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta 2 get cancelled, sin square get cancelled. So it is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. That's all. Tan theta is simplification value. Fifth question, fourth question is there. If cos A is equal, if cos A is equal to square root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, find cos 2A. It is an easy question. Just now we have learnt that the value of cos 22 and half is equal to root of 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2A becomes 45. So cos 2A we need to calculate. So cos 2A is equal to cos 45 degrees. The value is 1 by root 2. Let us calculate fifth question. If cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 13, 5 by 2 less than theta less than 5, that the meaning is that find the sin 2 theta. That the meaning is that theta belongs to Q2. Theta belongs to Q2. Q2, because 5 by 2 means 90, the value theta lies between 90 and 180. We can understand that value theta belongs to Q2. Now cos theta is equal to 5 by 30. Cos means this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse, it becomes 12. Now you can write sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 12 by 30. Because it is in Q2, sin theta is positive. Now you should calculate sin to theta. Sin to theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 into now sin theta we got as 12 by 30. Cos theta already given as minus 5 by 30. So 2 into 12, 24, 24, 5s are 120. Minus 120 by 169. That's all. This is the value of sin to theta. Now let us write example 6. For what value of values of x in the first quadrant? In the first quadrant, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x is positive. This is the question. Is positive. Let us remember the formula. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square. This is positive. That means greater than 0. So tan 2x greater than 0 and tan x not equal to 1, because if tan x is equal to 1, denominator becomes 0. If denominator becomes 0, it is infinity. So we should not get. Of course, tan 90 is equal to infinity. So we should not get 90 also. So tan 2x is equal to. So you can understand here, positive by positive concept. So tan x greater than 0. Anyhow, tan x greater than 0. Tan 2x greater than 0. Therefore, 0 belongs to, here you can understand 2x belongs to 0, 5 by 2. In first quadrant it should be. So here you can understand tan 2x positive, tan x also positive. That is why the value should be in only first quadrant. So 2x belongs to positive. So x belongs to 0, 5 by 4. That's all. Therefore, for 0 less than x less than 5 by 4, for what value of x? Of course, he is saying in first quadrant. 2t by 1 minus t square is positive. Here I mean t means tan x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square is positive. Or 0 less than x less than 5 by 4. So if x is equal to, if x lies between 0 and 5 by 4, then only 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x is positive. That meaning maybe 30 degrees or 35 or 36 or anything below 45 degrees. Now, 7th question. If cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 and y less than theta less than 3 pi by 2, find value of tan theta by 2. Find the value of tan theta by 2. Students, using submultiple angle, I said the formula tan theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta gives 2 sin square theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta gives 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 will be getting cancelled. Sin square by cos square becomes tan square. Tan square of root becomes tan theta. So cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 is given. And he is discussing with us that theta belongs to Second, this is pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. So 180 plus 270 minus, it becomes Q3. So tan theta by 2. Now we can also, we need to get given pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. Now with 2 you divide. Pi by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. So pi by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Pi by 2 means 90, 3 pi by 4 means 135. So the value theta by 2 should lie between 90 and 135. So you can understand that theta by 2 belongs to Q2. In Q2, tan theta is minus. So here you should write tan theta is equal to, first of all, plus or minus you put now. Since theta by 2 belongs to Q2, the value should get minus. So minus root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Next step, tan theta by 2 is equal to minus root of 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole by 1 plus of minus 3 by 5. Now tan theta by 2 is equal to minus root of, taking LCM here, this is 5 plus 3 by 5 whole by, produce the root here, this is 5 minus 3 by 5. 5 and 5 will be getting cancelled. 5 plus 3 becomes 8. 8 by, this is 2. 8 by 2 becomes 4. So root of 4 is 2. Root of 4 is 2. Therefore, tan theta by 2 is equal to, no, this is minus 2. Tan theta by 2 is equal to minus 2. Because theta by 2 belongs to Q2. Tan theta by 2 value we got minus 2. Now, 8th question is there. Already I shared the question in formula concept. If A is not an integral multiple of pi by 2. If A is not an integral multiple of pi by 2, prove that. First one, tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. And second one, cot A minus tan A. Cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot A. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A and cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot A. Take LHS of first one. Tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A is LHS. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Plus cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Take LCM. Denominator becomes sin A cos A. Here this into this plus this into this becomes sin square A plus cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A becomes 1. 1 by sin A cos A. Multiply with 2 to the numerator and denominator. 2 by 2 sin A cos A. 2 by 2 sin A cos A formula we know it is sin 2A. 1 by sin theta we know that it is cosecant theta. So this is 2 cosecant 2A. So you should remember as a formula. Plenty of times you can face the question. As a formula you should remember the value of tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Now, next one. So, of course, cot A plus tan A also we can understand. Now, cot A minus tan A. Second one, in this question, cot A minus tan A. You should write. Cot A can be understood as cos A by sin A, minus sin A can be understood as sin A by cos A. That is equal to, take an LCM here, it becomes, this is cos square A minus sin square A whole by, this is also can be written as sin A cos A. Cos square A minus sin square A, original formula is cos 2A. This is the formula of cos 2A by sin A cos A. Multiply and divide with here 2. It becomes 2 sin A cos A into here, this is also 2. So 2 into cos 2A by the formula of 2 sin A cos A becomes sin 2A. So now you can understand that cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So you can write this is 2 cot 2A. Therefore, write the formula and the sum as cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. This one also you should remember as formula. Cot A plus tan A value 2 cosecant 2A and cot A minus tan A value 2 cot 2A. Now, 9th question depends upon this formula. We are having a question that is 9th one. It is most IMP for MSET. For objective also, the question 9th question is important. If theta is not an integral, theta is not an integral multiple of pi by 2. Prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. 8 cot 8 theta is equal to cot theta. This is the proof. We should prove this value. So total answer we should get cot theta. Now depends upon the formula what we have discussed. Formula. This one only. Cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A concept. Cot theta minus tan theta. Cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Depends upon this one. We should convert all tan thetas into cot theta terms. So, tan theta is equal to tan taken that side and write like this. Tan theta is equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Cot theta minus 2 cot theta. Now, right here, LHS becomes. So LHS can be converted or it can be changed as, instead of tan theta, you write like this, cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Try to understand, here 1 theta is there, here 1 theta and 2 is formula, here 2 theta is there. If it is 2 here, this is 2 and this is 4. This 2 is for formula. So now cot theta, we had tan theta, in terms of tan theta we had written like this, plus 2 into. Now tan 2 theta, instead of tan 2 theta, you should write like this, cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta plus 4 into tan 4 theta. Instead of tan theta, tan 4 theta here, you can understand tan 4 theta minus 2 cot 8 theta. 2 cot 8 theta plus at last 8 cot 8 theta is there, simply write. Now expand all the terms. Cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Now plus 2 cot 2 theta minus here 2 2s are 4 cot 4 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta multiply like this plus 4 cot 4 theta minus 4 2s are 8 cot 8 theta 8 cot 8 theta. At last this is plus 8 cot 8 theta. Here minus 2 cot theta is there and plus 2 cot theta is there. This get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled. Only we are having cot theta, that is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, we have proved. Depends upon cot A minus tan A formula. Simple formula depends upon cot A minus tan A to cot B. Just we have converted tan theta in terms of cot theta. Simply got cancel everything and we got the sum. Okay, students. Some basic formula completed. From using this basic formula, sin 3a cos 3a tan 3a like that. Plenty of sums are there. Okay, 3a sums are there. 3a formula yesterday we have discussed. 3a sums are there. Let us going to discuss the 3a sums in next class.